guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike SB Force 58. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, I can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike SB Force 58. We've got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. So this comes in gorgeous turquoise Nike SB box. And here they are. People always forget that Nike do skateboard shoes that aren't the Nike SB Dunks. And in fact, we've got one of these right here for you. Again, like the SB Dunk, it is taking inspiration from the basketball court. You can tell by the silhouette itself. But before we get to all that good detail here, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber cup sole unit. And if you look at the traction patterning, it's the TriStar. And you got a Nike swoosh at the heel. Midsole unit, so again, as I mentioned before, this is a cup sole unit, so it's just a rubber all around. You can see it there. And then you look at the upper, and it is shaped like a Nike Dunk at the end. So if you look at all the paneling, even the perforations that you can see at the toe box, right there. The whole upper of the sneaker is made out of leather. It's not the best quality. It's kind of like that new Sheen one. Yeah, that feels a bit plasticky, but this is actually leather. If you look at the toe box, you've got a cool little Nike swoosh right there that's stitched on. And I'm a big fan of the little swoosh. You can find them on the Air Max ones, which I'm a big fan of. And you look at the lateral side of the sneaker, you've got a green swoosh. You can also find it at the medial. Then you look at the heel. Again, it's just your leather paneling, but then you see the upper of the ankle support. Well, here will be the heel support, and it's just a foam that's covered in textile material. Looking at the lacing system, so you've got these grey laces, just normal functioning, padded tongue with the Nike SB Force 58 logo. And then you look at the insole, and you got this nice foam midsole with a Nike SB logo also. This is a really lightweight sneaker, which is what you want when you're skating. You want something kind of lightweight. My opinion, if you are a skater that is looking for the SB Dunk look, but obviously you can't afford the resale prices that some Nike SB Dunks are, this is a good alternative. It's very sleek as well. It's kind of them Nike silhouettes that Paul Rodriguez or Nigel Houston's got some really sleek sneakers in his signature model. So that's kind of reminds me of their silhouette, kind of reminds me of this, the Nike SB Force 58. And really excited to try these on for you. So we'll run out footage of me trying these on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. This is UK size 7.5. They fit perfectly. They look really cool on. I wish I had a skateboard so I can show you the really cool tricks I can do. I can't do any if you're wondering. But no, these look really dope on. Honestly, they kind of, the fit, because they're quite slim, it reminds me of the Nitro Nike sneaker. So if you want a frame of reference, use that. But these look really dope on, you know, you don't have to spend a lot of money on some SB Dunks. You could just, you know, get some Force 58s. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.